Hello guys, welcome back to Justina's kitchen. I hope you're all doing great out there. Today I'm going to bring you something very simple and easy, which is going to be a seafood recipe. It's going to be garlic prawns today, so stay tuned, don't go away, watch the video up to the end. I know that you're going to enjoy it. Here I have like 1000 grams of fresh prawns and 1000 grams of fresh potatoes. I'm gonna cook them. So here I have the prawns and the rest of the ingredients. I've already peeled the prawns and take out the guts. I now empty 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil into a very hot pan. The pan is really hot now, so I add in the prawns. I'm going to fry them just for 1 minute on both sides. They look great, isn't it? Just for 1 minute, and then you turn them over on the other side. They are gonna be like half cooked. This recipe is easy, it's tasty, and it's quick. You can serve it with bread, with rice, or with potatoes. I'm going to serve mine today with potatoes. It's gonna be yummy. So they have to look like this, as you can see. We're getting there. So I now turn them on the other side for another 1 minute. After the 2 minutes, I now add in the garlic and the chili flakes. So now keep on turning it. Don't leave the garlic to burn, and you don't want the garlic to be brown. You just want the garlic to be cooked. So keep on turning, and turning for 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I add in the lemon juice and 2 pieces of unsalted butter. Keep on turning it and let the butter melt. Turn it, don't leave it to burn. You don't want our garlic to get burned. Reduce the heat to low. As you can see, as I am doing. I now sprinkle in half teaspoon of salt to taste. It's up to you. You can add in whatever seasoning you want to, but I want to add in just salt for me to get the flavor of the garlic, the chili flakes, and the butter. No more seasoning for me. Wow, the aroma, oh my god, it smells so good. I now add in the fresh chopped Italian parsley together with little bit of dried parsley too. It's gonna give it more flavor. Wow, look at that, and look at the color. It's really attractive, it's really appetizing. it looks attractive too. It smells so good. If you think that is interesting, why not try this recipe? I now add in the rest of the butter. Then we keep on turning and turning and turning until the butter melts. As you can see, the butter is almost melted and it's now ready to be served. Wow, I can't wait. I'm gonna serve it with potatoes, cooked potatoes. You can serve it with rice or bread, toasted bread, it's up to you. But for me, I'm going to serve it with potatoes, cooked potatoes. It's gonna taste so good. Look at the juice. Wow. So guys, our garlic prawns is now done. I'm going to serve it. Look how presentable it looks. I'm going to use Roman salad. I now lay the salad on the plate. It makes the food look attractive, and then I place in how many potatoes I want to eat, like 3, 4, it's up to you. And then we add on top the prawns. Wow, this is gonna be tasty. Spicy, the spice from the chili flakes and the taste from the garlic. Wow, look at that, look at the juice. Wow, this is gonna be absolutely gorgeous. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of this appetizing and delicious meals that I normally do. I upload once a week on Saturdays at 5 p.m. So don't forget to share, like and comment with your friends and families. I once again thank you all for your continuous support, for the comments, likes and the shares. I appreciate you always. Take care of yourselves. Bye. See you next week in another edition. I love you all and stay blessed.